Heto na ang latest happening sa ating barangay. Billboard. Whitney High School Club Kaibigan's 30th Filipino Cultural Night. Demolish Las Vegas Grand Reunion 2017. St. Ignatius of Loyola Film Presentation. Philippine Consulate Outreach in Tacoma, Washington. At University of Pangasinan College of Nursing Batch 86 Reunion. Kaya ka barangay, mag-post na, i-share ang saya sa ating barangay.